Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and NASDAQ100. In this analysis, we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators what is the possible trading range for the day, what could be the targets and how the markets are expected to behave, what should be our entry point and everything. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily and weekly analysis for global markets and commodities including US, Europe, UK and India indices and gold, silver, crude oil and natural gas commodities. Now, as I shared in my weekly analysis, how beautiful it looks when and how satisfactory it is when you see all the markets have achieved the target within the closing hour or opening hour itself for the day. In fact, the futures have achieved all the targets and behaved exactly as expected and shared in my weekly analysis. I hope you all profited. Now let's have a look and see how and what positions we can take when the US cash session open. Let's start the day with gold first. This is the 4-hour charts for gold and you can see the gold has seen a high of 2002 levels, and that is what we had expected. That was my long-term target, that gold is definitely going to hit the 2000 levels. That is what it has achieved. Also look at this is the 4-hour candle, and if you eliminate this one candle, almost trading sideways in this zone. It can continue to trade in this zone, that is between 1985 to 2001 2002 zone, probably with also you can see higher lows and higher highs. So yes, it is trading sideways with a bullish bias. Also, if you look at this candle, now let me show you something more here. And if you see this previous two candles, they have tried to form a consolidating candle, and this candle broke out beyond. So if in next next 4-hour candle, if you see it trading beyond 1998, yes, there you can go long, and then you can again expect to hit 2003 levels, and beyond that it is going to give you sharp green candle. Else, yes, if you see it trading below this zone at 1980, so if you see it trading below 1980, definitely it is going to fill this gap and probably try to hit 1970 levels. So yes, as I shared in the morning also, 1985 also is a good level to go short. There you can go short and expect 1981, and then below that it will definitely try to hit 1970 levels. But this is just on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see, this is still very much trading in a bullish channel, and now if you see it trading below 1984-85 zone, probably you can see here 1984 should be the levels. Below this, if you see it trading, then definitely you can go short. You can expect it to hit 1980, and then below that it can drop heavily towards 1970 levels. On the 2-hour charts, see, rally, drop, but failed to breach the lows there, higher highs, and now trying to drop again. So it can come back again till towards 1976 1975 level. This is again a good support. Below that it will try to hit 1970. Now higher highs, so probably it may try to hit 1970 also. But let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, the story is somewhat different. See, a bullish rise, this is a breakout, retracement, higher highs, retracement. Now from this, if you see it trading below 1984, as I shared, 1984 should be a good level to decide whether it is going short or long. Below 1984 you can go short. You can again expect it to hit 1979 zone, and then below that it will try to hit 1970 levels. It has to cover this gap. It may try to drop till towards there, and yes, you can take a long entry at 1998. Beyond that, definitely it will fly. Let's have a look at the indicators there. Indicators on the 4-hour charts. You'll find trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands and trying to get some resistance at 2000 levels. There is a very strong resistance rather, and on the downside the support is right now on the daily charts is lying at around 1950-1960 zone. So even if it slips below 1970, then only I will expect it to drop. For the day I'll be bearish below those levels, and yes, you can take a short position as 1984 definitely. So here also it appears the same, breaking 1984 we can expect it to drop. Also looking at the stochastic there, it is overbought looking downwards, and hence we can expect a drop. MACD trying to converge, RSI is overbought and hence it needs a cooling. On the 3-hour charts, story is same and it is looking downwards, and similarly on the 2-hour charts as well. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels, but before that, just last we can have a look at the daily charts. It is overbought. Also it is seen a tail is there, a wick is there, probably it is trying to trade within this, and hence any good drop should be below 1978 zone. Below that it may try to again hit 1970 and below levels. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels for the day. So first let's talk about the levels to go long, and if you see it trading beyond 1895 now, you can go long here, and you can again expect it to hit 1898 and 2001 levels. If it breaks this, definitely 2005 will come into picture, and it will fly towards 2011 2018 levels also. If only if it breaks beyond 1895, and this zone at 2001 is very strong resistance. We have seen it for the day, and probably it can remain a strong resistance for the day and for the week also. Now below 1984 you can take a short entry, below 1984, where you can expect 1981 and 1979. Below this it will try to hit 1975 and 1970. See, there is a gap which needs to be filled, and it will be filled once it drops 1970 levels. Below 1970 you can expect 1965 1957 levels. So it can drop till there, and it can continue with this momentum if it continues to drop below 1984 levels. Specifically, I will be bearish only below, if you see, I will be bearish only below 1979 levels, where you can expect it to hit 1970 levels, and I think it should not break 1970 today. But these are markets, anything is possible, and it can go till anywhere. So take your positions accordingly. I will expect it to trade between this zone itself, very narrow range bounded. So this is all for gold. Now let's have a look at US100. This is the 4-hour charts for gold, and if you look at the 4-hour charts for gold, you will find that it has got its support here at 13,550 levels. With the support at 13,550, a big green candle has come, and this is almost broken this channel. Now this is the breakout candle, and I think till the time it remains above 13,650, it is going to rise again towards 13,820 levels, and in fact it can go high till towards 13,900 also. Take your positions accordingly. Right now it is trading above this, so probably it can continue with the bullish momentum. Also look at this, the previous candle. If you look at the support right now at around 13,650, it has got 13,750, almost 100 points. This time it may give you further bigger candle, and from 13,650 to 13,850 820 levels, definitely it might try to hit. Now this is just on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, the story is same, higher lows and higher highs. This is trying to break out a probable resistance it might get at around 13,750 zone, and with this at resistance, definitely it will try to fill this gap and hit 13,800 plus levels. So my target is for it to cross 13,800, and probably beyond 13,800 you can also expect it to hit 13,920 levels if it continues to do so. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, it has got its support. It has got its support here at around 13,550, and with this as support, this is the third green candle trying to trade in this zone. So once it breaks 13,750, definitely it is going to fly, and this time the flight is going to take it high. It may try to hit 13,900 levels before it tries to drop. There is a strong support now at around 13,640 650 levels. So only you can go short once it drops below 13,620. Rather, I will say only once it breaks 13,620 you should go long, go short, else you can continue to remain long. I think it is looking forward to a reversal. And on the hourly charts, if you look at, see, higher lows, and this time the breakout. So I think this breakout candle should sustain, and probably this may try to fly high again towards 13,800 zone, fill this gap, at least achieve 13,820, and then beyond that we will see how it behaves there and see that whether it goes further or not. Now look at the daily charts here. Looking at the daily charts, you will find that, see, this is, it has seen a lower lows and it has seen this lower highs. I think this is going to break this. It may try to form higher highs. Definitely it should, or it must try to achieve 13,820 levels before looking forward to a drop, and probably beyond 13,820, if it hits 13,900, we should not be surprised with that. So yes, this is what it appears on the 4-hour charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators there. Indicators on the daily charts, you will find that, see, almost trading at the bottom here on the charts there, almost trading. The stochastic is almost trading at the bottom. The Bollinger Bands, also look at this here. Now the resistance is at around 14,000 from the 20 period moving average and 13,900. So I think once it breaks this zone at 14,050, then only I will consider this as bullish, else it is just a minor gap filling exercise, and from there we will see how it behaves tomorrow and day after tomorrow. But look at the stochastic is already at a oversold levels here. So stochastic is already at oversold levels, and yes, from here it can try to bounce back a little, but this is on the daily chart. There is a crossover on MACD which is about to happen. That is most worrisome for me. If it crosses over, we will enter into bearish territory. On the 4-hour chart, it is also looking upwards now. Probably it may try to give couple more green candles and take it towards 13,800 13,920 levels. Also look at this zone here. You will find that the strongest resistance on the 4-hour charts is at around 13,950 and 13,900. So in between 13,900 to 13,950 there is a stronger resistance, and then the resistance will come at around 14,050. So probably it may continue with this bullish momentum, and we can expect it to rise. MACD lines are trying to cross over here, and it can enter into buy zone. On the 3-hour charts, story is same, looking upwards, looking bullish. And on the 2-hour charts, I think the story is more or less same here too. The next resistance is around 13,800 820 zone. These two levels are going to be important. I think it is going to get past it, and it might hit 13,900 also before looking forward to a drop. Take your positions accordingly. The stop losses should be at 13,660 620 levels. So now considering this, let me give you the trading levels for the day. So till it is above 13,620, one can remain long. So one can take a long entry here. The next target is 13,820 levels, and beyond 13,820 it may try to hit 13,900, 13,950, and then 14,020 and 14,050. So till here it has got a stronger resistance. On the downside, only short entry I will recommend is at around 13,540 levels. One can take a short entry at only 13,540. Below this, it may, rather I will say 13,520 you can take. Below 13,520 it will definitely try to hit 13,400 levels. So once you see it trading below 13,520, you can take a short entry. You can expect it to hit 13,400, and below that it may try to hit 13,280, which is going to be a stronger support. Below that it can break strongly again on the downside. However, I expect that it can trade with a bullish bias, and we can expect it to hit 13,900 before looking forward to a drop. So this is all from my side. Now let's have a look at US30. Now see, this is the 2-hour charts for US30. On the 2-hour charts, you can see it has seen a good drop. It was trading in this channel, and it has seen a good breakout. So it has seen this is the breakout candle, and I think sustaining this breakout candle, it can be a bullish reversal where you can expect it to hit. The first target should be at around 33,500. So it can try to hit 33,500, and beyond that also you can expect it to trade towards 33,650 and 700 level. But this is just on the 2-hour charts. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts too, also I'll be looking forward to this zone, as this is also a stronger resistance level. So once it goes past 33,350, you can expect it to rise. So beyond 33,350, definitely you might see equally big candles. So the previous candle is almost from around 33,100 to 33,220 levels, and now it has started at 33,200. So one can expect it to hit 33,350 and beyond plus levels, and in fact it can continue to rise. But this is just on the 2-hourly charts. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is trading below this, beyond this channel. It has broke out this bearish move here. It has broke out this bearish channel and trading beyond this. So I think once it goes past 33,350, probably here you can take a long entry. The next resistance is at around 33,400, and after that definitely it might try to fill this gap and achieve 33,600 zone. So Beyond 33,400, definitely it may try to hit 33,600 levels. Take your positions accordingly, and this time it may fly beyond 33,600 also. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts also, this appears that this is kind of a reversal there, but a confirmation is only beyond 33,400 420 zone. Once it breaks 33,400, definitely you can expect it to hit 33,600 also. So I expect that it is going to rise from here, and probably once it goes past 33,350, I will expect 33,400, and then beyond that it will fly towards 36,600 and plus levels. Take your positions accordingly. And now let's have a look at the indicators there. Look at the indicators there. 33,410 a good resistance, then 33,600 will come into picture. Trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, looking upwards on the 4-hour charts. MACD lines trying to converge. That is what is on the 4-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, similar is the story. There is a little resistance at 33,320, 350, and then beyond that 33,400 and 600 will come into picture. Looking upwards on the 3-hour chart, MACD lines trying to cross over. And looking at hourly charts, you will find that this is first decent candle after the MACD crossover. It can continue with this, and looking upwards here too. So probably once it is beyond 33,350, we can expect it to rise strongly towards 33,400, which is going to be stronger resistance. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, it is, first thing is that it has to cross this previous highs, that is at around 33,450 levels, 400 levels. Once it breaks 33,400, I think it might hit 33,510 and then towards 33,600 levels. So I think we can still expect it to rise. Right now the stochastic is looking at downwards on the daily chart, so probably it can rise now and then offset by a drop later. So be cautious while taking a position there. So now, considering all this, let me give you the trading levels for the day. So I'll recommend you to take a long entry at 33,360, where the next target is 33,410, then 33,450, 33,510. Till here is fine. It can try to achieve 33,510 before trying to look forward to a drop, and beyond that it will definitely try to hit 33,600 and 33,700. It can rise till there. Remember, it can rise till there. On the downside, you can take a short entry only below 33, I will say 220 levels. Once it is below 33,220, you can expect it to drop. How far it could go? It can again drop towards 33,100, 33,000, and then towards 32,800. These are markets. Anything is possible. Trade cautiously, take your position with caution and with strict stop loss. These are going to be wild, volatile times. Trade with strict stop loss only and take your position with caution. This is all from my side. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email ID and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.